Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. I just briefly show you what I've done in Russian, but I will be fast without opening much, maybe a little bit. What I got in this cosmetic pouch recently, it's another charity. You buying the charity ticket and they give you this. It's not you buying the charity ticket, no, because nowhere to go right now in circumstances. But see, watch what I have. Clarins after sun 24 hours, refreshing after sun gel. Sounds interesting. I like gel, everything with jelly or gel, because it's good and smooth on my skin, and it's slurping right there. This is Normaderm 24 hours Corrective Anti-acne treatment. Sometimes I have some blemishes. It's not acne, but anyway, you need this kind of stuff sometimes. Avene Repair Barrier Cream. It's for hands, maybe for cracked skin or something. We'll check. This is Bright Plus Clarins Serum Intensive. Interesting. Another one, Avene Calm. What is this? Soothing Concentrate. And then it goes all SPF thing, 50 plus SPF. La Roche Posay lotion for children sensitive skin. I already told in a previous video that I'm gonna send it to my child and my husband. That's gonna be for my children. Okay. Cream Intense Avene Eau Thermal. I love Eau Thermal. It's one of my favorite brands. It's always on my table. I cannot live without this thing. It's mist for your face. Now another 50 SPF with mineral Anthelois. If anyone used that thing, just tell me what you think about it, because I'm clueless and I'm just stepping in this world of face treatment, because I always deny myself for face treatment. I keep buying the perfumes and sometimes I forget myself about the, you know, appearance. That's why I'm exploring it, and you just tell me what you think. This is exactly the same. They decided to give me two. Okay. This is Reversa Radiance Cream SPF Soothing. The package is immense. The package is awesome. The package is unusual. The flower, I have to research about this flower. Nude by Nature. This Australian brand. It's called Nude by Nature. Makeup that good for you. Nude by Australian ingredients. I see. Of course I will check this out because it always needed. Then they gave me another Lancome Magnifique U, and I got the same previously, and I like it, and I have already more than 3, I think, in the house. Then they gave me a Dermablend Professional. I already have the same on the desk. Just 1 minute. This is new, and this is what I use right now. And actually I like it so much because it's remove makeup right away, and I do the makeup every day because I do everyday video, so it's good thing I got so far. 100% needed. Vichy UVA Protection 80 minutes sport. Well, I'm not into sport, but okay, let it be. Clarins Eau de Bronzat Self Tanning Milky Lotion. I don't want a self tan, now I know. I didn't read it previously. I'll give it to someone who likes to self tan. I think I know one person, just my girlfriend. Filorgia Sleep and Lift. This is a good brand, expensive kind of brand, but I'm glad I have samples of it, and 3 samples of perfumes, which is PAssione Intense Armani, Ralph Lauren Romanse Rose, and Narciso Rodriguez Eau de Parum Rouge. I made mostly all of them review. Some of them I have in bottles, some of them I have in samples. But I think this exactly one, I haven't done it yet, and I'm happy I got it. And people say this is the best so far in collection. I know people who just collecting Narciso, those cubes, and I wish I would be one of those, but I have so many, so maybe would be more than enough for me. But if someone gave me, I probably wouldn't regret. So that's it for now. What do you think of my charity cosmetic bag? This is gonna be a new section in my channel. My new cosmetic charity box. Here it is. So tell me what you think, what you use, and any comments. Drop me a line. I will be so happy. Bye for now. I'm your silver butterfly. All the best, guys.